Okay, for those who are joining me for today, let me tell you, my name is Susan. I'm taking P6 classes for math, Saturday classes only. Okay, Karin, will you be able to on your videos, on your camera? Okay, if not, you unmute yourself, you can speak to me. Okay, I'm going to share my screen for this. Here, I'm going to share this screen here, but I need to do this. Okay. Again, every lesson beginning, I always want to tell students, house rule. Okay, turn on your video, mute your microphone. Okay, especially when you have background noises. If you need to talk to me, then you unmute only. Okay, chat function. You know where's the chat function or not? CHAT, chat, chit chat. If you need to talk to me, yeah, I'm okay. Okay, so do like how to say, appropriately. Then if you want to go toilet, please go ahead, but do come back. Okay, all right, let's start. We are going to do revision for all these topics, so need you to respond, put your answer into the chat function. Okay, all right, let's start. What is the missing number in the box? Okay, so to find that, what you need to do is to divide. Okay, 30,000 divided by 30. Okay, you can cancel away the 0. You left with 1 and 3 zeros behind. Okay, so that comes down to option B. Okay, yeah. Wait, 30,000. 2 zeros only, sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancel away 1. Left 3. Okay. Okay, number 2, I want your input. What is your answer for question number 2? Okay, Asher, yes, Asher put in already. Who else? Okay, Jaden, thank you. Karin, I need to see your answer here also. Input there, thank you. Then at the same time, I start here, okay? Now 1 is for G, so this is 1 unit. Pamela is 6, so 6 units. And they share 252, which this is meant for 7 units. So when 7 units will give you 252. Okay, and Pamela has 6 units. We are going to find 6 units. Okay, now for those students who are new, I want to introduce you one of the method. We call it the overhead bridge. Okay, now overhead bridge, how does it work? It comes with 2 columns. Here are the units. The other column is the value, and you have a question mark that you need to find, right? So with the question mark, you always climb the escalator up, get this number, and then you see a 252. Okay, then you cross the overhead bridge, you must do division. Okay, I repeat, do division, cross the division, divide by 7. Get down your escalator, opposite, you multiply. So from here you can have, wait, can you see? Okay. All right. So 252 divided by 7, you times 6, you should get 216. Okay, which is option number D. All right, let's check. Wow, so many of you got D, 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 D. Very good. Okay, next, let's look at Q3. Oh, Q3. Okay, let's turn to Q3 number. Which of the following has the same value of 3/4 minus this? Okay, so this one I have to change it to common denominator of 8. So 4 times 2 and 3 times 2, I get down to 6. So 5/8. So you must have 5/8 here. We must go and look for 5/8. Oh, so you have to work out. So the first one is 1 whole, okay, minus 9. So answer 1 is out. All right. Number 2, you change this to 4, times 4. You change this times 4. Okay. Aha, you have 5/8. Okay. Now, have you learned division of fraction already? 1/8 divided by 5. So we have 1/8 divided by 5. You become, flip the fraction, you became 1/40. Okay. Then for this one, you get to divide, you get to 1/2. Okay. So from here, you can tell this is not the answer. 5/8, 5/8 must be equal. These two is wrong. So what is your answer is option number B. Let's check. Okay, good. Asher got B. All right. Jiden, you need to input your answer also. Kanis, did you do the worksheet, Kanis? Don't have. Okay, never mind. I'll speak to you later on, Okay. Let's see what is next now. Okay, everyone in the meeting. Those who are ready, I want to ask for Q4's answer. Am I too fast? No, Okay. Asher, am I too fast or not? Is my speed too fast? Not, Okay, Karin, okay, Karin? The speed is okay. All right. Next one. Q4. Okay, wow, so fast, Jiden. Oh, okay. Let's go to Q4 now. All right, the charity run has 420 participants. However, there is only 6 of the participants who are Singaporeans. And among the Singaporeans, 190 of them are female and the rest are male. So meaning to say, the question wants you to find males. All right, let's take a look how we can do this. First thing first, the total is 420 participants. So I'm going to use my model to solve for this. And I have to cut this into 6 parts. Okay, 6 meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayo, lopsided. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the total will be 420. So I have how many units here? 6 units. 5 of them are Singaporeans. That means from here to here, we call them SG, Singaporean. And from the Singaporeans, 190 of them are female. So from here to here, let's do this. I'm going to pull down the model and then part of it. 190 female. And then the rest are male. So this is the question mark that the question wanted you to find. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit is equals to 420. So 1 unit must give you 420 divided by 6, which will give you 70. And I must times by 5 because of the units are meant for Singaporean. So 350, but 350 is split into 2 parts. One is for the female, 190. So I'm going to write here 190 here, okay? So what is the thing here you must minus? And you get down to 160, which is meant for question answers for B. Yeah, most of them gotten B. Those who don't get B, you understand where go wrong or not? If you didn't get B, do ask question if you need. If you don't ask, I will assume everything deemed fit. Fit means okay. All right. Q5. Okay. Bernice, are you catching up with us? Yes, good. Question 5. Okay, input your answer for question 5. Wow, I get ready. Bernice, copy finish ready. Q5. Susie bought 6 similar cheesecake. Okay, so 6 similar cheesecake. She cut each cheesecake into 9 equal pieces. She gave 3 pieces to each of her 3 friends. And how much did she left? Oh, okay. So 1 cheesecake, is cut into 6 parts. All right, then I'll put it as 6 units. All right. Okay, give me a minute. Let me check. Okay. Shiza? Is that Shiza, Irene?
Yes.
Okay, we are now at question number 5 for this tutorial. Do you have your worksheet ready with you? Do you know where to find the questions now? Okay, all right, I shall continue from here. Okay, so he bought 6 cakes. So I come to here. So 6 cakes will have 36 units because he cuts each into 6. And she's going to give 3 pieces to each of her 3 friends. So he'll be giving 9 pieces away. So what is the fraction that is being left? You use 36 minus 9 is equals to 47. Okay, so that 47 out of, wait, not, I should minus, not add, 27, right? 9, wait, it's 6 of 9 pieces, sorry. Okay, why you never tell me it's 9? It's cut into 9, not cut into 6.